Tell about the voyage of Magellan.
So, Magellan wants to talk to King Manuel. And King Manuel didn't agree. So, Magellan was sad. And after,
Why? What did Magellan want from King Manuel?
to sail to Moluccas Island, the west one. And Magellan was sad. And after, King Manuel agreed, but just a little. And after he saw King Manuel, and King Manuel his face was angry, and he said, Magellan, and so King Manuel said, Magellan, what do you want? And Magellan said, give me ship because I wanna sail to Moluccas Island. So Westward, and King Manuel said, no, because King Manuel wants Magellan to stay to India and fight with the Moors, but Magellan don't want to go there because he wants to sail. And after he said, and King Manuel said, because Magellan said no, King Manuel said, Magellan retire. So Magellan was sad. He cried, and after there was a man said, don't worry because there is another king. Not King Manuel is not the only king. There's another kings, and there's ships with. There's a country with nicer ship than Portugal. And he said, Magellan said, but King Manuel said that I'll retire. And he said, King Manuel is not the only king. There is a king of Spain. King of Spain. And after King of Spain, and he said, and so Magellan was happy. Magellan was happy. And after, what's his name?
Falero?
Falero, oh yeah. Oh, so after he wants Magellan to be happy, so he brings Magellan to his house, and he had Magellan saw his table with, because his work was watching the stars. Magellan saw that there is on his table there is telescope and globes. So after Magellan now goes to Spain, and he asked for ships. So the King of Spain agreed. And here,
How many ships the King of Spain gave Magellan?
5. And after here, Magellan here. And Magellan starts in Spain. And Magellan
Going what direction?
west.
What did Magellan want to prove?
He said that the world was round, so if he goes west, he could go back. And he wants to discover too.
What route?
West and east. he could go back.
What else did he want? What else was he thinking? Why he wanted to travel westward?
Because the other sailors will go to east.
Yes, and what else? He was thinking that.
The earth is round.
What else?
And
That the route to the west is.
shorter or longer. Shorter. And he said here to Atlantic Ocean, and he goes down here. He goes to Pacific Ocean after he goes to here. And he buys a slave there. His name was
Where is Magellan now?
on Moluccas Island.
What did he tell King of Spain? Where did he want to go?
Moluccas Island.
What's in Moluccas Island?
What?
What is in Moluccas Island?
Moluccas Island. There is lots of spices there.
Can you please go down?
Okay. So,
Put down your legs.
and after he bought a slave here,
He bide?
he bought a slave, and his name was Enrique. And he was
Again, can you show me the route from Spain to the Moluccas Island?
here. Spain and Magellan comes here at Atlantic Ocean. And down here and up to the Pacific Ocean and here. And he asked his friend to tell Enrique if where he lived. And he said east. So Magellan think that he'll go to Philippines. And after goes Philippines, and that's all.